You know beautiful carpet when you see it. You've even got spills under control. Or do you? If beauty is only skin deep, you never really know what lies beneath. That's why we created LifeGuard Spill-proof Carpet Backing for life's scary messes, keeping 100% of spills, splatters, and odors contained, even those you can't see. Because a serious spill that's allowed to rest can make your subfloor shriek. Just look at the difference. Whether it's a glass of wine or a problematic pet, LifeGuard gives you complete cleanup protection. And it's perfect for pets, active families, soccer teams, Olympic swimmers, or people with faulty fish bowls. So the next time you spill, don't just hope it's gone. Be prepared, not scared, with LifeGuard Spill-proof Backing for a clean, worry-free, healthy home. Want to learn more? Just contact your friendly Shaw Floors retailer to ask how you can be backed by Blue. LifeGuard, backed by Blue.